for me? Happy Monday! Welcome back to math. Today's lesson is going to be so simple. You guys are going to do fantastic. We are just reviewing the numbers 16 and 17 today. We're going to talk about the actual number word as well as the number itself and then how many counters go along with it. You guys count up to 17 with me. Can you do it? Are you ready? I know you can do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Way to go. Good job, boys and girls. I hope you are working on counting all the way up to 100 because that is our ultimate goal in kindergarten, is for our friends to be able to count for all the way up to 100 and maybe even beyond. If once you figure out the pattern, you are good to go. Let's go ahead and get started with math. We are on lesson 7.8 today, and we are still decomposing or breaking down numbers, and we are working on the numbers 16 and 17, like I said before. If you look, there are some red Unifix cubes. There are 10 on the top row. So we know there are 10. So let's just count on from 10. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and yep, 16. Good job. Let's go ahead and trace those numbers. Trace right on the dotted lines. And in your mind, I want you to say a 1 and a 6 makes 16. 1 and 6. Then we have the word 16. Now we're in those teen numbers. 6, S-I-X, that's just the number 6. And you put it together with teen, T-E-E-N, T-E-E-N. Yep, put them together and it makes 16. So let's go ahead and say the letters as we trace them. S-I-X, T-E-E-N. Great job. Let's go ahead and look at the blue. We have blue Unifix cubes, and there are 10 on the top row, so we'll say 10, and let's count on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 is a 1 and a 7. So let's go ahead and trace those. 1, 7, 1, 7, 1, 7 makes 17. And here's the word 17. We didn't clap out 16. Let's clap it out first. 16. How many syllables? You're right. There are 2. Let's clap out 17. Ready? 17. 3. Yep. That one has more syllables. And I want you to notice there are actually 4 E's in 17. Look. 4 E's, 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, E is one of our 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So a little bit of ABCs within our math. Let's go ahead and say the letters as we trace. S, E, V, E, N. So there's the word 7, just like 6, 7, and then teen, T-E-E-N, 17. Great job. Let's go ahead and move on. And can you believe that we are on page 404 in math? You guys have been working so hard and you're doing a fantastic job. Let's look at 16. We have some beautiful orange flowers and there are 10. And let's count on. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Another way of being able to count that, if you've been practicing counting by 5s, we could go 5, 10, 15, and one more would make 16. Go ahead and trace those 1 6s. 1 6, 1 6, 1 6. Those are 16. And when you're ready, we'll go ahead and count these red squares. There are 10 in the 10 frame. So 10, and we're going to count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and one more is 16. Do you remember what 16 looks like? Say it again. Again and again. 1, 6. A 1 and a 6. Now, something plus something equals something. We got to go back here and look to help figure that out. Something, the first something is how many cubes are in this 10 frame? 10. Plus, how many are by themselves over here? 6. And 10 plus 6 equals the number we're working on. You can count if you need to, but 10 plus 6 equals 16. Now, if we were to write this with the answer first, it would look like this. 16 is equal to 10 plus 6. We could also flip it. So 16 is equal to 6 plus 10. That's another way of looking at that number sentence, okay? Don't forget, sometimes the answer can come first or the answer can come last. It doesn't matter when we're adding which one comes first, okay? All right, I'm going to turn my page. You're just going to look on to your next page, which is page 405. Now we're going to work on 17. We said 17 had 3 syllables, and there it is again, 17. Oh, look at these beautiful red flowers. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We could count by 5s to get there. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Go ahead and trace those numbers. 1, 7, 1, 7, 1, 7, 1, 7 makes 17. 17. And when you're done with that, we'll look at these bright yellow squares to help us count. There are how many here? Yes, you're right. There are 10. So 10, count on, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And 17 is a 1 and a 7. Now let's break it apart into a number sentence. How many here? So let's write that number here first. 10, a 1 and a 0, plus how many here? 7. Very good. And 10 plus 7 equals how many? You're right. You guys are so smart. If you said 17, you are correct. If you did not say 17, I want you to go back and I want you to count them, okay? That will help you figure out what 10 plus 7 is, because these are really getting to be some pretty big numbers. Let's go ahead and turn to our very last page today in math, page 406. And there are some gorgeous purple flowers. I love flowers, but there are numbers here, 17, 18, and 19. There are not 17, 18, or 19 flowers there. I want you to go ahead and circle, find and circle the number 17. Do you see it? It's the one on the top. That is 17. There are 10 flowers. Let's just double check and make sure. Let's count by 2s. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10. There are 10. We need to get all the way up to 17. So we're going to have to add some more counters. You may draw flowers if you'd like. I'm just going to go through kind of quick and do counters. So we have 10, and let's count on. 10, start your new row. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Very good. Good job, boys and girls. There are 17 there. Now, here's where our answer is first. 17 is equal to, we're going to have to break that into 2, okay? We could draw it here if we wanted, but let's make our life a little bit simpler by looking up here. How many these? This is 17 here. So let's break it apart. How many purple flowers are there? If you remember, we counted by 2s. There are 10. 17 is equal to 10 plus, how many more did we have to draw to make 17? Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So 17 is equal to 10 plus 7. You could also draw them here if you want to make your own 10 frame and draw those, but I thought we could just use what's up there, make our life a little bit simpler. But you are welcome to draw that out if you'd like. I hope you had a great day with math today. Don't forget to do your homework this afternoon or this evening, and I will see you tomorrow. We're going to continue. We've got the numbers 18, 19, and then we're going to have our assessment. So moms and dads, we have a test coming up on Thursday, and then on Friday, which is our special holiday celebration day here at school, we will not have any math, and there will not be any homework. We will be assigning some activities on Seesaw over break, just a couple fun activities for you to kind of follow up with, but there will be an assessment on Thursday. So work hard. We'll see you tomorrow in math.